create LinkedIn Showcase Pages 2020. LinkedIn Showcase Pages, how to make them the most of them. If you are looking for more ways to grow your business, then LinkedIn Showcase Pages are a great place to start. The good thing about LinkedIn Showcase Pages is that they are incredibly cheap and very effective as far as internet marketing is concerned. In this article, I'll show exactly how to make the most out of LinkedIn Showcase Pages. What are LinkedIn Showcase Pages? Showcase pages are simply add ones or extension to your LinkedIn company page that enable you to features or share your company's products and services. In simple terms, LinkedIn Showcase pages give you a convenient way to reach out to your target audience. If you have multiple brands, products or services, you can create more than one showcase pages in addition to the company page. According to LinkedIn, you can claim up to 10 showcase pages. All the pages created will be listed on your company page in the right column. Also, each showcase page will have specific features including followers, functionality and updates. On the showcase, you can share video content, image updates in telling your business or company. Remember to make your content updates as interesting as possible in order to build and establish a strong relationship with your audience. Also, the updates should be regular to keep your audience engaged. How do you create a powerful LinkedIn showcase page? How you craft your showcase page matters a lot, so make sure that it's great. Some of the most critical components to keep in mind when crafting an excellent showcase page include using compelling content, regular updates, strong visuals, and active social media engagement. With a powerful showcase page and the right target, your LinkedIn audience is bound to grow. First, you will need your LinkedIn company page to create showcase pages. Assuming that already have one, here step by step guide on how to set up your business LinkedIn showcase page. Just select the down pointing arrow next to the edit button and then choose to create a showcase page. What goes on your showcase page? It's unfortunate that some people actually don't pay much attention when creating company showcase pages. Usually showcase pages with creative and complete information tend to have more audience. Here is what you will fill on the showcase pages. The name of your showcase page. Your showcase page's title should be simple but unique. If you have multiple showcase pages, you will need a unique name for each of all the pages. A simply way to go about this is to use your company names as the prefix and then follow it up with specific keyword of the underlying services or product. LinkedIn allows up to 100 characters for each showcase page's naming. The showcase page logo, image, and tagline. Your uploaded logo file size should be no more than 8 MB. The recommendation size for the logo image is 300 by 300 pixels. You can get a few highlights about the same from the official LinkedIn pages. Also remember to keep your background image as simple as possible. About text, sophisticated graphics. The recommended size for 3 background images should be about 1583 multiplied 396 pixels. The company profile image should be 400 by 400 pixels and the full file size should not exceed 10 MB. For the tagline, it should be fixed right below the showcase page name and the image logo. For each of your showcase pages, you are limited to 120 characters per the tagline. Ensure that you add the specific products, brand, keywords, phrases in the tagline to enable it to rank higher in the LinkedIn search. Add custom buttons. LinkedIn automatically suggests a follow button for your LinkedIn company page. This feature enables you to place an action button on the showcase page. The option is more relevant if you are looking to engage with your audience. It also hosts a variety of action depending on the specific goals that you want to achieve with your audience. They include register, learn more, sign up, visit websites, contact us, and much more. For instance, if you want your audience to contact you for inquiries, make sure that you select the visit website button. About us. This is another powerful feature that should be filled with the utmost care of and creativity. Again, the page should be filled completely. This about us section covers the detail of your company or brands and its offerings. LinkedIn allows up to 2000 characters for this section. You will include details such as the company overview, hashtags, language, location, and features groups. Make sure that you integrate the relevant keywords in this section in order to rank higher in the LinkedIn search. Other important information to add to this section includes the website URL, company size, phone number, year founded, email address, and other specialties. LinkedIn allows you to add up to 20 specialties. As for the location, you should mention your country, state, city, street address, and zip postal code. For the hashtags section, you can include up to 3 hashtags to your page, which will appear on the right side of the showcase page. Your audience will be able to like, reshare posts, and comments on the hashtag feeds. As well, you can feature up to 10 groups on your page. How to optimize LinkedIn showcase pages for search engine. Without a doubt, you want to search engines to rank your LinkedIn showcase page high in the search result. However, this cannot happen if your page is not properly optimized. There are several ways on how you can optimize your LinkedIn showcase pages for search. They include use industry specific keywords. You get ranked higher if you include targets SEO keywords in your showcase page name and description. All you need is to conduct a search on your specific industry, identify the relevant keywords phrases, and include them in your showcase pages. One easy way to go about this is to use the Google Keyword Planner tool. It's free and it enables you to find relevant keywords for your specific industry. Effortlessly adding these keywords will help your audience to find you faster, and your LinkedIn showcase pages will also be indexed higher with search engine. Complete your profile. According to research, companies with completely filled profit profiles get 30% more wages than those without. Therefore, complete your page profile and make sure that it's engaging. Create good content and post regularly. If you ignore this section, then you might end up messing up your entire showcase page strategy. For instance, if you give your audience something valuable, exciting, and engaging, they will follow you. That's for sure. The opposite applies as well. When creating content for your LinkedIn showcase pages, focus on solving your audience queries and educating them. The post can be in the form of blogs, ebooks, articles, newsletters, case studies, and white papers, among others. Again, you should post regularly, at least one update per week, but if possible, it's best if you were able to do it on a daily basis. Some of the most successful showcase pages features on average about 3 to 2 to 3 update per week. Also make sure that the posts are relevant to your audience so that you bore them and end up pushing them away. Tips for growing your LinkedIn pages. Update your showcase page regularly and target it to your most relevant followers. Include links to your showcase pages and your external communication such as newsletter, blogs, posts, emails, and articles. Include relevant content, videos, and image to your showcase page in order to keep your audience engaged throughout. Keep your audience engaged throughout. Use direct sponsored content, craft follower ad campaigns for your LinkedIn showcase page that target your specific audience. Make your showcase page user friendly and easy to navigate.